If you're doing wash and fold, you need to be doing pickup and delivery. And here's why. At our family's laundromat, Super Suds, we made over $1.5 million in wash and fold over the course of the year. And it was primarily through pickup and delivery. Let's take a look at what is happening to the in-store wash and fold business. We went from just 2 years ago from 600 wash and fold orders per month to 375 wash and fold orders per month. That's a 38% decrease. That's big. If we were living or dying by wash and fold, in-store drop-off, we would be in a precarious situation. This is like Blockbuster versus Netflix. Yes, Blockbuster did not want to adapt. They did not want to do online delivery. They wanted people to go to the store and pick up and drop off their videos. And guess what? People don't want to do that. It's inconvenient. While our wash and fold in-store drop-off is dropped by about $5,000 a month and is on a downward trajectory, it doesn't matter. You know why? Because pickup and delivery is more than making up for the loss. In just 2 years, our pickup and delivery has grown by over $40,000 a month. And that's just pickup and delivery. If we were just doing in-store wash and fold, we would be, uh-oh, what is happening? But because we're doing pickup and delivery, our growth is going up and up and up and up. And that's the trend. We're getting a whole bunch of new leads of people who never expected to get into pickup and delivery, probably didn't want to, but they know if they don't do pickup and delivery, their competition will, and they're going to take their business. It's easier to keep your existing business by providing convenience, such as pickup and delivery, than it is to lose your customers and try getting them back in the future. I see 2024 as a bright, bright future for pickup and delivery because that's where the money's at. To learn more about how to take your wash and fold and pickup and delivery business to the next level, or simply to start and get in the business, go to curbsidelaundries.com.